Yeah, what's going on YouTube? Check it. You zoom in here. Alright. My niece is Phantom 85. I just raced her today. And I think my bike's faster. And I'll explain why. Once you pay for the chop top service, what Smolik does is he chops this top fucking piece off. This piece right here. And the fin. And there's like half of a cylinder left like this. And then you get that big fucking head from Olin. And you bolt the bitch down. But the problem is, when you go to do that, these 4 bolts have to come out. And you got to get different fucking stud spacings. Because the bolt's got to go all the way through. And it's got to have like an inch past like right here. So that the head goes on. I'll show that in a minute here. Anyway. This bike I did not race her on. This is the Avenger 85. Like I said, I'm taking it easy on this motor. Anyway, we're going to the Super Phantom. Had it running today. We're going to see if the engine head's cooled off. But check it out. My back rack. Mounting bolt. Mounting bracket. And rear reflector, baby. Pretty soon, I'll attach a headlight on here, or tail light. How it mounts, I made the bracket myself because I ran out of money. Yep. Anyway, like I said, when you put the head from Olin on here with a Menace 85 cylinder, you gotta get stud mounts like that. And I already said what these are. I'm going to say it again because I had to redo the recording video. I don't know if anybody's seen it. But anyway, I'm going to show you where these bolts come out of. If you have old bicycle wheels, preferably ones that look like this, you take the bolt out. That's one. The other one's right here. Take the bolt out. That's 2. And there's another wheel right there underneath that heavy-duty ladder. Take the bolt out of that one. And let's see. There's another wheel here I took a bolt out of. I think I tossed it over in the fucking corner. Yeah, it's back here. You take all them bolts out. And they're thick mounts. Instead of having them garbage ones they give you in the fucking Phantom kit, which is, well, I can't find anything in here, but I got a new Super Table Workshop. How you doing? Anyway, there they are. These are the stock gay Phantom bolts that they give you. See how fucking short that is? These are garbage. You want the long bolts from the fucking wheels. That's how you know the shit's gonna work. Yeah. My little workshop, baby. And look, you need some gas? I got gas, man. I got gas big time. I got 1. I got 2. I got 3. I got 4. I got 5. 6. Need some gas? There's a gas shortage going on, haven't you heard? Fuck Joe Biden. Anyway, I'm sorry, that must have just came out of my lips. Anyway, yeah, 4-stroke. 4-stroke. Yeah. Yeah. Then you come over here and you adjust your idle. other 4-stroke do you know can do that? Yeah. Anyway, exhaust fan. So, welcome, neighbor. Welcome to my workshop. What can I build for you today, huh? Huh? Maybe I can build you a spaceship or something, you know? I got all these parts in here, man. Yeah. Feast your eyes on my garage. You need some wheels, man? I got some wheels. I got some wheels over there, too. See? Arr, arr. I am the wheel man. Arr. Alright. Thanks for watching, nigga. Oh, yeah! Hump it.